It wasn't for revenge. It's for to repay her kindness. Oh, what the fuck? Oh boy. Why is there some sort of carving in the wall? Like it's some sort of ancient tomb of some sort of demon lord with straight up ass cheeks. Yeah. Fucking thick as hell, man. Bro, those ancient carvers were not messing around. When they weren't thick, they wanted thick. Wham, ooh, wham. Ooh, had nothing on those cheeks. The young Baki. What? Oh, Baki no Shura. Bro, what is this demon family heritage shit, man? This is crazy. All right, we'll get to more. Holy fuck, we'll get to more later. Son of Ogre, yeah, fair enough. The ending is good. Yeah, the ending is pretty damn good. So is the opening. Yes, Son of Ogre, man. Man, I wonder, do they have any more family? Because if they do, I'm gonna get like... Because Yoshiro made it seem like they had more family. Like a few times, I want to say. He said before that he ran around the entire world, like sowing his seed everywhere. So they gotta have more family, I'm assuming. Ah, that's my guess. I could be capping. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, no spoilers. No spoilers. Because, as far as I understand it, what we're getting in the anime right now is like the main storyline. But Baki still continues with other character stories or something like that. Like, I don't know if it's like a spin-off, like it's JoJo's or something. I'm not too sure how it works exactly. But it's weird. It's like, it's still called Baki, and Baki's still kind of the main character. Then we follow other characters and they do their own thing. And we follow them for a long period of time while they do their own thing. Kind of like Hunter x Hunter in a way. Either way. Hold on. I get loud as fuck, so let me read just the audio. So after this season, you gotta read the manga. Maybe. I'm not against it at all, honestly, because the manga panel looks really good. And we need to do more, read-through shit, so... Yeah, I told you, yeah. That's my headphones over here after just all the audio, because the Baki's audio is so low. I have to raise every volume I have possible to make it, like, you know...